So real quick, before we do that, I know that we had some announcements, right? We had the Delubac partnership, which is monumental. And I wondered if you might touch on that just really, really briefly for folks and kind of help us and the community to understand what kind of a pivotal role Delubac is playing for us, not just in a banking partner, but almost like a here's what we can do for banks type of partner.
Yeah, absolutely. So the Delubac partnership is incredibly important. It unlocks the abilities of them to be able to provide assets to their customers in a way that's just never been possible before. And on our side, we're the only people that can do that. It's really nice in terms of alignment. In fact, I sat down with Paul earlier, Paul Bureau from Delubac. We were able to record a quick video, which you guys may or may not have seen. But essentially, he talks about why that partnership is so important.
Excellent. And so out of curiosity, what have been, without going too deep into the weeds here, but what have been the roadblocks so you mentioned that we enable them to provide these types of assets to their customers in a way that complies with banking regulations. Am I correct in saying that?
Yeah, 100%. So, I mean, privacy is probably one of the biggest ones. It's been a hot topic actually here at PVW, but privacy is probably easily one of the biggest concerns from a banking point of view. Regulation and compliance across fraud, theft, and loss. All of the things that we've been working hard to kind of identify as our USPs and to solve. These are all the things that are critical from a banking adoption point of view. In fact, we've been speaking to many banks, not just banks. We've been talking to other custody providers. We've been talking to asset managers. We've been talking to other exchanges, and they've all generally been incredibly excited about the opportunity that we unlock